Alright. Step on the step. Up. Yeah. Straight in there, son. Bathroom that. Straight in there, son. Bathroom. See me? This here. Come on, living room this. What is the veranda part? Yeah, in a son now. My next room there, son. What is son? A veranda. Back veranda. This is the back veranda. Yeah. Alright. So see step there again. Alright. Come that way and out to the right. You have the veranda out. So veranda out. So. And that's so now. Like a little living room or something like this. So. And here so is the kitchen. That's all. Kitchen. And that's so now. Just closet. Closet here that. And bathroom. Bathroom. That's our room. A little room this. To the back. Man. Yes, like a wash area. You can wash clothes, that's like a wash area. I go up to the next floor now. Go up to the next floor. Next floor is. Alright. Go on so. Alright, so that's the veranda. The balcony like. You know so. The master bedroom this. So a little room so. That's so now. Alright. Master bathroom this. Jacuzzi this. Like a bathtub there right so that then take it out. So the shower here. Shower area. Toilet. That's like a closet. Closet this. closet them now. Yeah, I left on the master bedroom side now. Over the next side. Alright, right also. Another bathroom also. Bathroom. Bathroom. Alright, okay, so the bathroom now, we have one room also. One room also. They have one room also. Next room now. The next room. So the next room. Closet. So a back room I know. Back room is closet. Side that.